Hi, my name is Elliot, and I'm a rising senior at my school, All City Leadership Academy, and this is my first milestone to my main project, which are the LED sneakers. Now, what I've done so far is using Arduino codes. I have programmed my floorboard to essentially create 3 variables, and I've programmed to display whatever color/patterns that I want, and I'll get into that later. So how this process all works is from the code itself. Using the 3 variables, I have basically created and defined them, and I'm defining them through 0 to 255 RGB values. Now, what those are basically, when it comes to LED lights, 0 to 255 basically display the brightness of the red, green, and blue colors, which will essentially create the different colors. Now, I get these values from, in my code, I created a map function. And this map function essentially grabs the range of this pressure sensor that I've created as well. It will basically grab that range and change it into a range that fits the RGB values. Now, whenever I apply pressure to this pressure sensor, and this pressure sensor is made out of a conductively electric material that with the wire itself will allow for the circuit to basically understand whatever values are gonna be displayed from the pressure. So from there, the map function grabs those values, which usually range from 500 to 1,000, and it ranges because like the resistance changes as like I apply more pressure and apply less pressure, but the range will convert to a range that fits the RGB values, and from there, I've also created a random number generator and in the code, and from there the variables each separately pick a random number between that range of 0 to 255, and once they have their assigned numbers, they will essentially create a color for the neopixels to display. And so each time I press this, new numbers will generate, as you can see.